Hi everyone, this is Andy with Blungo.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. Let's start. Alright, so I am already in a Google Meet meeting, and to share the screen we're going to click right here where it says present now, and we have three options. So we're going to cover all of them in this video. We're going to start with the first one that says your entire screen, so just click on it. And with this option, you're going to be able to share your entire screen and everything that happens in it. Meaning that the other people in the meeting are going to be able to see whatever happens on your screen. If you have multiple screens or multiple monitors, they're all going to be here on this window. In this case, I have only one monitor. So to share it, first you have to click on the monitor you want to share, and then click on the button share. And now you're sharing the screen. As you can see here, it says that Google Meet is sharing your screen. To stop sharing your screen, you have different options. You can click here on this button, stop sharing. You can also click on this button, stop presenting. Or you can click here and click on stop presenting. So I'm going to do that right now. And now I'm not sharing my screen anymore. Okay, let's click again here and we're going to do a window. So here we have a list of all the different windows that we have open in our computer. If your window is not showing here, it could be because it is minimized. So you have to maximize it first and it will show up here. As you can see, I have four options here. This one is the current window that I'm using for this meet, and it is a Google Chrome window, meaning that I have multiple tabs in it. This is the software I'm using to record my screen. This one is another Google Chrome window and it has multiple tabs open in it. And this one is my downloads folder. So to share a window, you just click on it and then click on share. And now you're showing everyone else the window that you just picked. If you want to see what you're sharing, you can hover over this icon and click on pin your presentation. And now you're seeing what you're sharing. If you want to unpin this, just click again on the icon and it's going to go away. And to stop presenting, just click on this button or any of the options that I showed you before. All right, now we're going to cover the last one. So we're going to present a tab. And this is the best option to share video or animations, meaning that if you want to share a video with the other people that are in the meeting, you should use this option. Here you have a list of all the tabs that you have open in different browsers, and to share any tab, just click on the one that you want to share and decide if you want to share the audio or not, and finally click on share. This is going to bring you to the tab that you're sharing automatically, and you can see that you're sharing this tab up here on this message. If we go back to the presentation, we can pin the presentation and we can see which tab we're sharing. If we would like to share a different tab, we can just go to the tab that we want to share and we can click on this message that says share this tab instead. Now if we go back to the presentation, we can see that that's the tab we're sharing. To stop sharing your tab, just click on this button, stop, and now you're not sharing a tab anymore. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I also have other videos about Google Meet on this channel, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching.